I am team technician, and this is my kit. She has 65 individual components, almost all of them $20 each. Weighs 44 pounds. These kits in total cost $200. Oh, yeah. Where's my flashlight? Who touched my kit? Some people say that you can't fix everything. Maybe. I'd like to see someone else fix super glue.
Okay, so what exactly is in the bag? Well, I mean, this bag can fix everything from the toaster to a dishwasher to the kitchen sink. Anyway, there's three major components to this kit. The quick deployable, the extended kit, and the bag itself. Alright, so the deployable has just about every single screwdriver you can think of, from Robertson's to flatheads and Phillips. All four sizes, and a ratchet driver.
So what I've got in the other compartment are imperial hexes, 2-inch slide block pliers, metric hexes, 2 adjustable wrenches, and tin snips. You have no idea how frequently you have to cut something.
Alright, so the secondary kit has a spare ratchet driver, external 120 volt AC buzzer,
Digital multimeter,
bandages, and rubbing alcohol. Claritin, because, flux, electric tape, solder, extra wire, self-drilling screws, extra Allen keys, extra wrench, epoxy putty, and soldering kit. And finally, the bag itself just has tape, adhesive Velcro, thermal gun, screw tray, gloves, headphones, 2-meter endoscope, flashlight, cutting knife, Sharpies, lollipop, oatmeal, and plenty of snacks to survive just about any kind of time. So having a kit like this may not necessarily be as expensive as you would think. All you have to do is just wait for all the good sales to show up at your local hardware store. The quick deployable was $20 for the bag, $20 for the kit itself, another $15 for the Allen keys, and then another like $5 for each other component of that. The other two parts I just managed to throw together from whatever I really needed. It's like an extra $5 for the plastic box that holds all the stuff in here. I mean, if you have a kit like this just sitting in your car, you can pretty much be ready for just about anything. I mean, like in Detroit at one point, we had trouble with one of our suits, and we had to do a whole bunch of soldering in order to get all the lights back on. And if we didn't have this kit with us, we would not have been able to make it onto the stage. So yeah, if you ever find yourself in need of something like this, I suggest you go and get one, because this is not something just for one purpose. I mean, I can fix anything from toaster to a dishwasher to the kitchen sink with this. So I would suggest everybody to just go and get one of these. Build your own kit. Customize it however you like. I like to have it so it's easy access to everything I need right out of the spot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.